Hi, welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the post-market analysis. Nifty continues its rally after a 3 days of pause consolidation to close around 19,778. As per the derivatives data, Nifty resistance around 19,860, 19,930, supports placed at 19,730, 19,680. The range for the day being 19,700 to 19,930. Actionable ideas: focus Nifty on declines till 19,750, SL 19,710. Nifty if trades decisively above 19,860, we might head towards 19,900, 19,930. Bank Nifty consolidation continues, the range being 45,600 to 46,400. Any move above 46,400 will see higher side on the index. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy trading and investing. Take care.